Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dice Paul and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share and subscribe my channel. If you're a new viewer, go to our channel, watch all the videos, and if you're liking these videos, then hit the subscribe button to be a part of Smart Trader family. So today I'm going to do a review on ZERODHA startup, that is small case. So this is how the platform looks like. This is what a small case looks like. So I will tell you more detail about it for the people who do not know this, because it's a very good platform. So I thought I'll make a review video so that most of my subscribers will get to know how to invest, because in yesterday's video I told you Warren Buffett ideas how to invest. So but how do we actually invest is also important. So we have to research and we have to put in a stock which we really understand. So we should understand the investments. So how do we understand the investment? By doing a lot of research and keeping updated with all the right news. So how do we do that in a busy schedule, or how do we have that much of time? So we are not the full-time person to do all this. So this is a platform which will help you to understand and understand the right investment, different strategies. You will know what are the strategies, and you can invest your money based on the strategies which you feel is comfortable. So before I start off with all this, we will do video part by part. So today I will tell you what is the small case exactly is and how good it is, and I'll just show you the platform, go through the platform. Later in some other video I will try to show you how to buy it and what are the strategies we can try to create for a better future investment. So this is a review which I'm going to do on this small case, which is powered by ZERODHA and reviewed by Smart Trader. This is not a sponsored video. If it is a sponsored video, then definitely I will tell you guys I need more support that time, or else they will think no views are coming. So if it is a sponsored video, I'll definitely, this is not a sponsored video. This is something which will help my subscribers on investing basis, not an intraday. This is a long-term investment plans. So we can do a lot of ideas and strategies in coming days. So when I do a lot of ideas and strategies on coming days, that time you should not tell what is small case, how to use it. So I wanted you to understand the basics of this. So if today I will teach you all the basics of this platform, tomorrow in my future video when I do a lot of ideas from the small case, you should be able to pick it up from then. So first of all, what is a small case? So I checked and did a lot of research about this and found these information about the small case. So small case is a basket of stocks or ETFs which reflect an idea, theme or strategy. Yes. So you normally buy a stock. For example, you're buying a stock called Reliance for a long term, considering the stock will go higher in 1 year or 10 years. So you do not know whether it will go up or not. Same way, these type of stocks, like in this particular small case, there are a lot of stocks which are actually researched based on their performance, and every detail will be there in the research. Okay, so based on that, those particular good stocks or those particular strategy stocks are kept in one single basket. So that is called a small case. So that will have a basic idea, theme or strategy, which I'll be showing you how they have categorized it. And next, it is a ready-made portfolio created by professionals. So you have to create your own portfolio. Like for example, you're buying in different sectors or different segments, you're buying stocks. But are you that good in finding the right stock? Are you following, or are you doing the research of it? Are you following the news of it? No, right? So these are already done by the professionals are already doing it's a ready-made portfolio created. You can see the portfolio. If you like it, then you can take it. If not, you can go to the next portfolio. It's a long-term instrument for all types of investors. So you be a new investor or experienced investor or mutual fund investor. A lot of people who actually invest in mutual fund also. So this is almost equal to a mutual fund, but I will tell you how different it is from a mutual fund. So how it is different from mutual funds and a single stock investing. Either you can invest in a single stock like you do. So you need to have a lot of research, and you should have a lot of time to think about the stock which you want to invest and keep tracking it on a daily basis. Someone has to monitor it, right? And mutual fund also, how different is it from mutual fund? So this is something which I found for you guys. So where this is small case and this is mutual fund, and these are the comparisons. So investing style, there is no fund manager. It's a passive way of investment style, and this is a fund manager actively managed. So fund manager handles mutual fund. So this is fee. Talking about the fee, the small cases charge you around 100 rupees for the small case which they have created. So they create a strategy. To buy the strategy, you have to pay 100 rupees. That's all. Okay. So when you buy the strategy, 100 rupees, you can put how much ever money you want in that. Later again you can buy within that particular, you can add more stocks in that particular strategy or the small case. Okay, but in case of mutual fund, you should pay either 2.5% or 1.5% you have to pay on your mutual fund. Those get deducted from your mutual fund. But in this case only 100 rupees, because this is more like a stock holding. Okay, your stocks, a basket of stocks are being bought. So you're paying 100 rupees flat fee for whatever research they have done, or for this particular platform you're paying just 100 rupees for that particular small case, and later you can add more stocks in that small case. So for the idea what they have created, or the platform they have created, you're just paying a flat 100 rupees for them, which is very small amount compared to whatever 50,000, 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees which you're going to invest. Exit load: when you exit, there is no exit load, but in case of mutual fund you will have exit loads. And redemption, it happens instant during the market hours, but mutual fund, as you know, it takes 2 to 3 days. Ownership: so ownership, underlying stocks, so it will be more like a holding, so you will be having the stocks in your portfolio. In this case you will have units of mutual fund, it will buy the mutual fund units. So transparency: you can see the stocks which are you have invested, what are the weights and strategy anytime. So you can anytime check out what is the strategy, on what strategy have they created this portfolio, and how much stocks are there in that, and what are the weights of different stocks, how many stocks or how many HDFC stocks are there, how many Reliance stocks are there in my portfolio. You will get to know every detail in this particular transparency part. In case of mutual fund, you will get monthly report of holdings only. Control: so you can manage the stocks and weights. So for example, you have HDFC, Reliance or Tata Motors. So you have this particular stock, this, you can increase and decrease the stock by your own. You can control your own portfolio, you can modify your portfolio based on that. But in this case, mutual fund, you cannot control, because it is being handled by the fund manager. Only when he feels or when he wants, he will change. In this case, they will give you the right direction. These are stocks, and they will keep changing the stocks, and they'll keep your portfolio up to date. It's up to you. If you want, you can modify, you can control by your own thinking also. But in case of mutual fund, whatever the fund manager is thinking, we have to just follow. You have to just put money, and they'll be following whatever it is. You can do a lot of tricks and adjustments if you are good at it. Then you have a lock-in period. So in case of mutual fund, you have lock-in period. Few do not have a lock-in period, but in case of small case, you do not have a lock-in period. Now I'll just show you the platform, and I'll just go explore a demo. I'll just show you how things work in it. So this is how the small case looks like. So how do you access this small case? For this, you should have a ZERODHA account. If you have a ZERODHA account, you can log in through ZERODHA account, and then use this smallcase.zerodha.com. so you will get login over there. If you do not have a ZERODHA account, then you can go to my video description. There I have mentioned ZERODHA opening link. You can click and open a ZERODHA account. It will take around 300 rupees. That's all. In 1 or 2 days you can open the account. You will also be added to my Telegram channel, as you know. So once you have a ZERODHA account, you can use this particular platform. For the people who already have your ZERODHA account, you can log in through your ZERODHA password and ID, and you can come into this particular platform called small case. So this is how the small cases looks like. So these are the different names over here. I'm just going to discover. You can find a lot of small cases which has been created in Spotlight. If I click all small cases, you have filter over here, minimum investment, what is your minimum investment, and all weather investing, quality, smart beta, low risk, smart beta. So these are the different names which they have created, and you can see how much is the annual return which it is giving. It is giving 10% return for a year. This portfolio is giving 17%, 18%, 16%, negative 11%, 34%, 33%, 25%, so 31%. So different small cases have different, just opening one of them. So you have in detail. So they're saying overview, why you should invest in small case. You have all the details over here. You can go through this, and it shows the Nifty performance versus your small case performance. So this is a small case, this is the Nifty. So it says this is an example which is given. Current value of 100 invested once 11 years ago. Your Nifty was on 107%. It's given 107%, this yellow line, whereas your small case outperformed it and it is in 170%. So this is how the small cases will help you beat Nifty. Okay, so Nifty, it will beat the market itself, market performance, because when market comes down, market goes up. Most of the time our holdings also come down, go up, but end of the day it performs better than Nifty. That's the reason these are created. Now Just going inside it, it'll show you the stocks included in this particular small case. Here we have Reliance ETF, Nifty Bees, and all those, and how much percentage of weightage is this in 100% of the small case. This is around 19.36 and 10.14, and you have different segments like equity, gold, and debt, so that you will be in a safer way. So they have planned it in a different way. And how to buy all that, I'll just show you demo, but for now market is closed. But this is how you can buy this. For minimum amount required here is 6,837, and you will be getting these one share of this stock name, and these are the details by order which will go to the market. So once the market is open during the market hours, equity market hours, you can hit the buy and start SIP, or you can buy a lump sum money also. Is going to discover over here. Later I'll show you how to create your own small cases based on your ideas. If you feel the stocks are really good as per your research already, you can create your own small cases here, or else you can use the ones which they have already created. These are created by experts. Okay, so most of the analysts, whoever is doing this research, are, if you see here, it's mentioned here. I just checked this SEBI registered research analyst, and we have more than 2 lakh users already using this platform already. You know, ZERODHA has around 8.5 lakh active users. In that, almost 2 lakh users are already used this particular platform. So we are very soon to use it. So maybe in upcoming years this may really help a lot of people. So I thought I will tell you guys in before itself. So if you ask how safe it is, everything will have a market risk attached to it, because it's based on the stocks which are in that. So if market crashes or something like that, that is not in our hand. But in generally, which doesn't happen, touch wood, but in general cases, when market goes up and down, your portfolio should not be affected much. So for those cases, you have a lot of investment ideas. See, the most popular over here, you have cases created most popular. If you see 51%. Okay, magic formula has around 51%. So you can click and go through. So minimum amount required to invest in this is just 9,500. You can just put a lump sum amount of 9,500, or maybe you're putting an SIP. You can put monthly of 5,451 monthly on this particular one, and you can see which are the stocks in that, and you can customize your own small case anytime you want. And this is how it looks, and the different segments, and you can also add this to your watch list. And one more important news is that you should know what are the news which is going on your investment, the right news on your investment. So these are the investment news. So the stocks whichever you invested, the news will be in this particular tab. So you can go through every day, hardly 3 or 2 or 1 or 2 tabs will be having like this. So 24 hours ago, 19 hours ago. So you can just read through this news based on your stocks, which will give you a better idea. As I told in my previous video about Warren Buffett saying that you should know the right news of your investments. So this is how you get to know your right news. So everything is there in this particular bucket. This is a very good platform for people who are looking for investing. This is not trading. This is for investment. People who are having lump sum money, or people who wants to invest monthly money of your salary. You're planning to save and invest in mutual funds or in equity. So this is the best platform which is showing a return which is better than mutual fund and better than the Nifty's performance. Okay, so this is more about this particular platform. So what do you think about this platform? Try to use this platform. People who have this account, please log in and start using this account. And people who do not have ZERODHA, open a ZERODHA by clicking the link given by me. So in future I will try to show you how to create it and how to buy it, and we will try to bring up different strategy, so that which will help our subscribers to create their own investment. Or if they understand it better, then they can only go through these and then buy and invest in these and track their performance on a daily basis in your mobile also. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit that like, and also share this video to all your friends, family and colleagues, so that they also get an idea how to invest, a smart investment with the small case, so that they also start investing in their young age for a better future. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.